Welcome back to another episode of Amanda's Kitchen. Today we're doing a follow-up video reviewing the STEELMADE flat top griddle. I've had it for about a year now, so I'm going to go over with you the pros and the cons. Let's get to the kitchen. Here we are in the kitchen, and this is what my griddle looks like on my stove. I have the junior size and use it almost every day. STEELMADE makes 3 different sizes for the gas range. The first being the full size, and it is a cost of $169. We have the junior, and it costs $139. They also make a slim size for $99. I have to say, the price is really good. Some of the outdoor grills, like a Blackstone, are over $300. The other great thing is it sits right on top of the stove, so you don't need to go outside in the cold or rainy weather. You don't need an additional outside grill. It sits right on top of your stove. I will put a link to their website in the description. Let's not forget, it's made in the USA. You should also consider buying the starter kit. It comes with everything you see here with the junior for $188. It comes with 2 spatulas, a scraper, the flat top scrub, the flat top oil, and 2 bottles, one for water and 1 for oil. I use my griddle almost every day. Seriously, we use it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Breakfast ideas are obviously pancakes. We've got bacon, eggs, hash browns. The sky is the limit for breakfast. It's so much fun to cook on. For lunch, we do quesadillas, patty melts. For dinner, we do pork chops, steak. We've done shrimp, we've done chicken, and we do it with vegetables, and it is so tasty. I actually have a lot of videos on my channel, so be sure to check that out. The first thing I want to talk to you about is how much fun this is to cook on. When you cook with these, you feel like a hibachi chef. I really love the design of this. There's not a big lip here, as you can see, which causes airflow, which makes your food taste amazing. And also, it doesn't let the grease fall off the front. I also like that it has a grease trap here, and that is also removable. I also love that it is strong, long-lasting, and durable. I've had this griddle for a year now, and it has held up flawlessly. It's heavy, so I know that it's durable and it's going to be able to withstand the heat and the cooking on it daily. Over time, it has developed a nice seasoning, which allows for a non-stick surface. A lot of people do not like the way that the seasoned griddle looks on top of their stove. The good news is you can get a cutting board that fits directly on top of it, and it makes it look beautiful and appealing. They now have custom engraving available. The durability of this product has really been impressive. It does have some weight to it, which is why I recommend the junior size. You don't want to have to move the griddle every time that you want to boil water. So if you just keep it here, you can have your 2 burners available for pasta or whatever you'd like on this side. Another great thing about this griddle is zone cooking. So I recommend using a digital thermometer. Some areas are hotter than others, so you can move your food around to the best place. I'm gonna put a chart up that shows recommended cooking zones. A question I get asked a lot is the cleanup process. How hard is it? And it's not hard at all. It's actually quite easy, and it's less dishes. I can show you a quick demonstration. See how easy that was? Also, cleanup works best as soon as you're done cooking or when the griddle is still warm. All you have to do is scrape it down, wipe it up, and use your stovetop oil for ready use next time. Look at the cute little reindeer pancakes that I made on my STEELMADE flat top griddle. If you want more recipes for your STEELMADE griddle, don't forget to like and subscribe. Overall, I would give the STEELMADE flat top griddle a 10 out of 10 because it's fun to cook on, easy to clean up, and it's very durable. And it has a great value. If you're interested in buying this griddle, I'll post a link in the description below. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.